Budgies have everything in them. They're colorful, tiny, cute, and smart. And they are the third most popular pet after dogs and cats. So just imagine how many Budgie owners are out there. Budgies come in a variety of colors, mutations, and even sizes. Let's take a closer look at these 10 types of Budgies. The green Budgie. Let's start with the most popular color of Budgies out there, which is the regular green and yellow Budgie that you can also find in the wild. Well, that's if you live in Australia. This Budgie color doesn't seem so rare, but what's cool about it is that all colors started and came from this exact traditional green Budgie. The sky blue Budgie. Another extremely popular Budgie color is the blue Budgie. It's basically a green Budgie minus the yellow, which leaves just the light sky blue coloration. The violet Budgie. Many people do not actually believe that violet Budgies can get as violet as this. This is not Photoshop, and you can really find Budgies that have this strong and vibrant color. The gray Budgie. The gray variation of this Budgie has basically lost all of its blue pigment and is now gray on most of its body. The earliest recorded appearance of the gray Budgie mutation was in 1934, which was created by an unknown breeder in Australia. The rainbow Budgie. Unlike the bright and solid colors of the common Budgie, rainbow Budgies have softer colors, one slowly melting into the other. They would usually combine a yellow head, turquoise violet body with light yellowish wings. The yellow Budgie. Yellow Budgies don't only share the same color, but many also share the same name, Tweety. They have a very unique look. They can either be completely yellow with no other colors, or they can be mostly yellow with white patches on their face. They shall not be mistaken with Latino Budgies, which have red eyes. The pied Budgie. This is a mutation that can happen in many different Budgie colors. It basically turns green Budgies yellow, with green patches, and blue Budgies white with blue patches. Despite their complex coloring, pied Budgies aren't really rare. The clear wing Budgie. Clear wing Budgies also come in a variety of colors, and as their name goes, they have clear white or pale yellow wings without black and dark spots. The albino Budgie. Albino Budgies are always white. This mutation removes all the melanin and all the dark colors in the feathers, skin, and eyes. They will also usually have red eyes, instead of the usual black ones that most Budgies do. The English Budgie. This Budgie mutation started off in the 1800s for exhibition shows. The main difference between them and the Australian regular Budgie is that they're bigger with long messy feathers, and because of that, it can be difficult sometimes to see their eyes, making them look very small.